Remember the old days when you saw a stunning view of the ocean and wondered, what would that look like from underwater? Now, you have Novatics Mito to see it for yourself. Before Novatics Mito, if you wanted to record images underwater, you needed a camera, a waterproof housing, and a heap of diving equipment to get into the water. But with Novatics Mito, underwater scenes reveal themselves at a click of a button. So here comes Novatics Mito, an underwater ROV that provides professional-level, stabilized 4K images. And all these crystal clear videos can be achieved without you even getting wet.
To be able to show you these beautiful scenes underwater, Novatics team has been working really hard.
We first started to make ROV 5 years ago as our college project. Together with a team of passionate and talented engineers, we founded Novatics. And after 2 years of research and development, our first ROV, Novatics Mito, is ready for production.
Novatics Mito has the most advanced stabilization system, a crystal clear 4K camera, 4 specially designed powerful thrusters, and quick swappable batteries.
Stability is an essential component of achieving excellent underwater imaging. I'm really impressed to see how stable Mito is underwater.
Mito has helped improve my teaching experiences a lot. I can use it to monitor my students better and provide live feedback to them.
Using the latest stabilization algorithm, Novatics Mito will maintain stability for incredibly smooth footage, even in strong current or surge. And if for any reason it slips out of position, Novatics Mito will instantly correct itself. When employing the fully adjustable tilt lock, it can hold its tilting position effortlessly whilst moving freely in the water. The onboard camera can capture the mysterious beauty beneath the waves, recording it in either HD or 4K, and can also take 8 megapixel still photos. You will be in complete control of Novatics Mito as you discover the underwater world. Explore up to 40 meters from the surface through the easy-to-use wireless control, which has a 500-meter range to its waterproof communication buoy. And you can experience the view in real time through the Novatics app on your smartphone. At less than 15 inches and weighing less than 7 pounds, Novatics Mito fits comfortably in your beach bag or the average backpack, so you can capture that amazing underwater view from anywhere you travel. Novatics Mito's 80WH LiPo battery offers up to a whole 4 hours of running time and can be swapped with spare batteries easily in just seconds. Use Novatics Mito's built-in color correction technology so you always get bright and colorful underwater images.
We need your help to bring our dream alive. The next technological hit is on your hand.
Titan is an extraordinary underwater drone that will allow you to freely explore the ocean, flying through the water to record every epic moment. The ultra-portable, user-friendly drone has 150 meters of maximum working depth. So even if you're not a professional underwater documentary photographer, Titan can satisfy your deep-sea desires. A 3000 lumen LED ensures that you will capture epic underwater moments, even in dark environments. For the photography enthusiast, you can use Titan's powerful 4K UHD camera with a 160-degree ultra-wide-angle lens to see underwater creatures like never before in rich detail and color. The ingenious 6-thruster power system designed by the Titan team enables the drone to fly through the ocean at up to 2 meters per second, hover underwater, and perform extraordinary feats of stability with 360-degree movement. You can pilot Titan from the included controller or with your phone or tablet using our app. A built-in rechargeable battery pack allows up to 4 hours operating time, so you will have plenty of time to enjoy the underwater world. While you pilot the drone, you can connect to VR goggles that will give you an immersive underwater experience. If you want your friends to see your adventure stories, select 1080p real-time streaming in the Titan app and share epic moments to social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram with just one click. No matter if you're underwater filming, diving, boating, or fishing, Titan is your best choice.
Imagine cutting-edge AI technology and remarkable professional features packed into a unique pocket-sized drone. Introducing Mark, the world's first drone positioned by visual inertial odometry. Constituted of a fisheye camera and a GPU-based mapping module, the VIO helps Mark locate itself based on position relative to its surrounding, realizing true autonomous flying. Mark sees the environment around it to allow for easy control and seamless flying, whether you are outdoors or in. It also records the trajectory wherever it flies, whether through the app or by hand. Mark can follow recorded trajectory to fly automatically. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon platform, providing all the power of a bigger drone with all the convenience of a smaller package. And it's so small, it can fold into a pocket or purse. Mark is easy to operate straight out of the box. No need for calibration or satellite connection. Mark is packed with unique features. It can track subjects automatically, take off and land with voice control, and take pictures with a single gesture. Using its amazing VIO technology, Mark will amp up all your adventures and capture all your most memorable moments entirely in 4K. High-grade Mark.
The desire to tell stories is within us all. From breathtaking places to once-in-a-lifetime moments, drones have given us the ability to capture beauty like never before. At Airlango Technologies, we are proud to introduce the next level of aerial evolution. Meet the Airlango Mystic, the autonomous smart drone. Equipped with sophisticated artificial intelligence, the Mystic is designed to perform high-precision film techniques with state-of-the-art accuracy. Plus, it is simple to use. In Safari mode, the Mystic can explore the world, taking the right photos at the right time. Using advanced AI, it recognizes people, animals, plants, and objects, making every photo completely unique. 3D tracking lets the drone follow you autonomously. And with owner recognition, the Mystic knows who you are and will keep you at the center of attention. With gesture interaction, you can use poses to control the drone, giving commands with the wave of a hand. It is the first drone to support up to 6 different gestures and bears the fastest response time to date. The Mystic can easily maneuver any terrain, and using the same cutting-edge motion intelligence found in the self-driving car, it automatically detects and avoids obstacles. The Mystic can also perform smart techniques such as template photos with intelligent framing, autonomous circling, and much more. For manual use, you can control the Mystic with your favorite device. On board is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 820 processor, ensuring higher efficiency, faster performance, and stronger Wi-Fi, creating a new standard in aerial photography. All the while, compressing data down to just a few megabytes, saving flash storage and runtime memory. The Airlango Mystic is equipped with a 12-megapixel camera with hybrid image stabilization and leads the consumer drone market with an impressive 30-minute flight time, so it can spend more time in the air getting the shots you love. When you're finished, it folds up light and compact, offering a streamlined travel solution. Creativity should never have limitations. Tell your story with the Airlango Mystic.